So hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create nice tests in LaTeX. So open your TextWorks document, LaTeX document. So as you can see, I'm using document class article and I'm using package AMS Math. So my title is Grade for Math Test. I must make title so you can see it in your PDF document. So as you can see, it will show me date. So after I can create my test, and the first question, I have multiple choice questions. So what is the sum of 248 and 346? So I have four possibilities. So and each question is probably for 1 point. So I have A, B, C, D choices, and if you have this stuff, so you can copy and create more questions. It will be after easy, you can change only the questions. So if you want to help, it can help you ChatGPT, and it will generate for you questions which randomly. These questions, they are from ChatGPT, so I didn't make it alone. So it's only for like an example to you. Will see what you can do with LaTeX and how you can create tests for your class, for example, and for your students. So please download LaTeX console, download some editor. You can use Visual Studio Code as well as TextWorks or TechLib or another. So I hope it was useful for you, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye everyone. Please abo and like.